Hi, this is Ben Shirk, and I want to go over my calling of duty image. I'm going to go quickly over and mention a few things that are included with this template. So with this template, there's a more in-depth information included about how to blend someone in here, but to quickly look through it, I have a whole lot of layers. There is a layer labeled in red, says insert subject here. That's where you put your subject, and you shut off my subject. The template does not come with its own red chair. Photograph your subject in a chair if you want them in a chair, and cut them out and put them in the scene. Pay attention to my lighting directions and diagrams and information I have included in the full tutorial. Other things to show you that it includes is it has an angled TV that a subject can be sitting on, and you can see that in the sample images of how I've used that. I also have a flat TV that your subject can be sitting on, hanging out with a gaming console or gaming controls, gaming magazines, anything you want him to have in his hands. I have an area of bright fog that you're going to move around and place behind your subject to create that center area of interest. The brightest area is going to be where you bring your attention to, so you move that to where your subject is. I have layers of midground smoke, and then lots of other elements in the background. I have the barrel and the shadow and the fog surrounding it. I have the SWAT people repelling and aiming and all that stuff throughout this template, and even the light beams are kind of separate there, so you can move them around or extend them if you need to. So all these SWAT people are separate, including this can of tear gas can be moved around with the smoke on it. So there's lots of different stuff, even a gaming tag. So most gamers on mine have a gaming tag. You can retype this gaming tag to whatever gaming tag that you want it to say and give your subject even more personalization. So there's lots of different ways to use this and lots of different ways you can position your subjects. I know you're going to have a whole lot of fun with it, and your subjects are going to love it because there's not a whole lot out there like this. And so be sure to check out some of my other templates, actions, and brushes on our website because we have lots of really fun stuff. And there's a few new gaming templates actually that just came out. Be sure to check those out. They have different things going on. One of them has some more SWAT guys in it with a different feel, and another one has all kinds of computer screens. That's really cool too. So check those out.